guys! So this video was pre-filmed in November, but in this video I went to a museum's Christmas market. I also attended a Christmas tree lighting ceremony, which was my first time ever, so that was a great experience. We also had some hot cocoa and listened to some Christmas carolers. So I didn't film from the countdown, but here is the light up Christmas tree. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye!
Ho ho ho! Shake up the happiness! Wake up the happiness! Shake up the happiness! It's Christmas time! There's a story that I was told, and I wanna tell the world before I get too old. And don't remember it, so let's dissemble it and reassemble it.